Hi everyone, welcome to Yan's Family Table. I'm Yan and today I'm sharing with you a restaurant-style Yu Xiang eggplant dish that will make you fall in love with this most delicious vegetable. So, let's get started. This recipe is simple and vegetarian. You'll need eggplant, of course, half a bell pepper and 1 spring onion. I like long Japanese-style eggplant because their skin and flesh are generally thinner and more tender. But use whatever eggplant that you have in your grocery store. Cut the vegetables into strips. As for the green onion, separate the white and the green portion and chop them up. Same goes for the garlic and ginger. Put the 3 together and you will have the holy trinity of aromatics for any Chinese stir fry. Now for the sauce. Mix together salt, sugar, light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, oyster sauce, ketchup, white pepper powder, and water. Whisk to combine and set aside. Back to the cut up eggplant. Dust with some cornstarch because we're going to deep fry them first. This is the trick that restaurants use to make the dish so addictive. Now, I'm not going to say that the eggplant won't soak up the oil from deep frying, and I'm not going to promise that this is a low-calorie way to eat eggplant. But I am convinced that cooking eggplant this way is why they taste so good when ordered from your favorite Chinese restaurant. Somehow, deep frying the eggplant first breaks down the eggplant without making it completely mushy. Fry it on medium-high for a couple of minutes, moving it around for even cooking, and then lift them out onto a plate. Then pour most of the oil out and keep about a tablespoon in the wok. Turn the heat back to medium-high and add the chopped ginger, garlic, and whites of the green onion. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add the Sichuan Pishan Douban chili paste and stir fry that for another 30 seconds. Add in the sauce we made earlier and bring that to a simmer. Toss the fried eggplant and peppers in and stir fry with the sauce for a minute. The cornstarch slurry is optional, but it does make the sauce cling onto the vegetables. And it also gives the dish a very nice appetizing sheen. Finally, top with the rest of the green onions and it's done. Dish it out and serve piping hot. This simple yet flavor-packed Yu Xiang eggplant will knock your socks off. Eat it with a bowl or 2 or 3 of white rice because the fragrant, savory, balanced sauce is so addictive. Please help support this channel by give the video a like and comment. I love to hear from you. And as always, go to yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.